Your weight is almost as heritable as your height. This means that your body size can be 70% determined by genetics. It's more nature than nurture. But we're led to believe that our weight is a result of how much willpower and control we have around food and exercise, that it's a matter of how hard we work, and if we're not thin, it's our fault. But this is a lie.
Is your body weight determined by your genetics? And how could this be if changes in body fat are simply down to calories in versus calories out? Well, while this ultimately still does apply, there are many things that influence both ends of the energy balance equation, and one of the strongest influences is genetics. We have studies to show that the heritability is anywhere from 40 to 70%. But how do we actually know this? Well, one of the ways is to take a bunch of twins and look at the ones who were brought up together and the ones who were brought up apart. We can look at how much their physical state varies, or not, despite growing up in entirely different environments. If twins are separated early and grow up apart, but still end up having similar BMIs, this is an indicator that the genetic influence is strong. And this can manifest in various different ways. For example, those who have specific variants of the FTO gene do not suppress hunger as effectively after consuming a meal. On these graphs, you can see that those who have the gene have the hunger hormone ghrelin suppressed to a lesser degree, meaning that they will get hungrier quicker, which of course would make managing your diet more difficult. Now, this is not to say that you have no control over your body or your mind, as your genes are not your destiny. But being aware of your barriers is important if you are to overcome them.